He's confused whether this is WRX or Levin. Uyo, pose away. Hi guys, morning.
Morning.
I surprised Chu Yang here at the Penang. Penang one better drive lah.
Yes. Memang better.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, more and more shit food now at Penang.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where you eat?
Everywhere also kena shit food now. No, last time everywhere also nice one.
Never tell me now. Organize.
You see, when Penang people need to search for good food, problem starts already. Last time no need to search one.
Anyway, also nice. Okay, fine.
Anyway, I'm here at the dam, which runs very low on water. And morning. This is apple.
What's the apple?
Oh, 你好. Oh. So yeah, initially I wanted to come and surprise everybody to join their drive, but yesterday my car was spotted by the roadside tapawing Asam Laksa. So this is the once beautiful dam, but then water level is very low. So let's look through all the cars. Hello. Alright, so they have a good ensemble of cars. But I wonder why they want to group up here instead of the parking lot down there. Anyway, the view here is nice. There's another morning. There's another, oh, someone's sleeping in there. Okay. I see lovely mini convertible. So this is the drive that Chu Yang organized. Chu Yang is our Penang content creator. Morning. So hello, morning. And hey, how come you all don't use the parking lot down there?
The taman not open one.
No, the parking lot for the dam one. There's the gate. The gate is open. Right? There's a nice, yeah.
Here got nicer scenery.
Yeah lah. Yeah, true as well.
I like it here because.
But here somewhat half illegal like that lah.
Yeah, basically.
Right, in a way. Oh.
Nice.
Hey, where's the other cheap person? Who's perpetually in your car?
Once I saw him, I know I cannot. Making, totally cannot.
Oh, the leather. So fixed everything already.
Everything. Engine, all the gaskets, covers.
Enjoying it, right?
Yeah.
The sound, right?
Yeah. I never use pedal shifters in my V40. This one everyday pedal shifter.
Right?
Yeah.
Boom. Oh, I love this car.
Very engaging guy.
Your exhaust is stock, is it? Or
M
performance one?
M performance.
And you know the interesting thing with the 4 Series, right? Is the 4 Series or 3 Series convertible or coupe lah. Your rear seats, right? Is more spacious than my 6 Series.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Because when they designed even the 2 Series coupe, right, has better rear leg room than my 6 Series.
Oh.
Because when they design these cars, right, they give the 4 Series and the 2 Series a higher roof profile, because they know that people in their 30s might still be fetching their kids at the back. But the 6 Series is for fucking uncle auntie one. So
No
they
more
think
kid
that,
commitments.
yeah, 50-60-year-old, right, they will think that the kids don't know where already. So the roof, right, slopes down really nice, but you get very tight rear seat space. So this is way more spacious than my 6. Yeah.
6 series based on what chassis? 5 series?
The 5 Series chassis, 5 and 7 and 6.
They managed to reduce the rear legs.
That's what they do lah. Nice rims.
Thanks.
Oh yo. Oh, lovely paint. M performance exhaust.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
And the plate, you change it or what?
Change off?
The plate number.
New, it's an old number lah. We just scout through the old number, see which one nice and buy that one. No?
How you do that?
JPJ can do it. You get a runner to basically look at the old numbers that you want. You give them generally what numbers you're looking for. Then they find nice one for you, lo. This is old one, this is not tender new one.
Yeah, oh,
Ah.
how you do that?
Can I? You just ask the runner to do it.
Okay, can this be put on camera?
Can. It's one of their services one.
Old number can put on old car?
Huh.
Fuck!
But it's unused it's unused.
Oh, it's unused.
It's unused.
Okay.
Just people never thought this was a nice plate. So no one bought it.
Wow.
Malaysia, no one bought this plate.
哇，是哦，这两只西北漂亮。
Original the seat is this color, is it?
No, he
Right.
changed everything.
Change
Yeah,
everything.
then at first he put the headrest black color. Then he shared in group chat. I say, it looks like always got the other 3 person with you. You can see from behind, right? Imagine the police. Hey, tadi I nampak orang. Oh, this is nice. Sweet lah. Then you did this.
Yes.
Oh,
half
lao.
Alcantara, half leather, M stitching.
Yeah.
The steering also very nice.
Apa macam sell Volvo everyday talk about BMW now.
Lucien gonna kill me. Oh, you never buy Volvo.
Is the package V8? Yeah.
It's V8 plus drop top.
Walau ni.
Everyone going to take photos. I think drop top needs to close top first.
He's confused whether this is WRX or Levin. Uyo, pose oi.
Modeling way.
如果他爬上你的Ferrari，你会打沉他吗？Hello。
Hey, what the bike? This guy is it?
哎，如果過去排個春袋啊！
哎，會咬人的，
不懂哎。
會咬。
Yeah, man. Everyone's gathering looking at the monkey.
That's an all murdered out Passat.
Freaking monkey.
And there's a lovely Miata RF there, MX-5 RF, and yeah. Oh, Melvin drive his Lexus.
Yeah.
His GLA 45 burned already.
Still cannot come out.
Yeah. All right. Nice.
Shall we get this show on the road?
Yeah. Mari. We any predetermined route or not?
Yes.
You have like a Waze, blah blah, whatever.
No Waze.
No,
It's
just
basically
jalan
just
only.
one main road down lah.
Ah.
Yeah. Then all the lead cars will know where to go. All the veterans will know where to go.
Oh, yo.
Yeah.
I'll just follow lah.
Veterans Day.
This is how many rounds already?
This is the
January, February, fifth one, right? Oh, okay. Then
Then
March,
MCO 3 months,
then MCO.
Ah.
Yeah.
fifth round.
Fifth round. It's nice to see people turning up.
Yeah. A lot more drop tops coming out also.
Yeah lor. Nice. Alright guys, let's make the drive worth it. Yes,
Can see
what's
your
up?
car.
Oh, go please. I didn't lock. Yeah.
Go and buy
Tada kunci. Chow seats. Those are literally chow seats. Mini convertible. Lovely. That's the really rare. Oh, it's called CS250i or IS250C. Maybe he changed it. Anyway. Let's go for the drive.
Okay, so he can get that perfect, nice, clean shot for you. Alright?
quick question. Second bridge got speed cameras or not? No. Then that one is just a rumor lah. So memang don't have lah. Oh, okay.
Then you can go 250 3 something like that.
But just the crosswind a bit strong lah. Yeah. So it's very hard to achieve the crosswind.
Never mind, 2 ton. So are we going Balik Pulau or go all the way down to the Teluk Kumba there?
We will pass by Balik Pulau and Teluk Kumba both. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we don't use the mountain road at the Balik Pulau to go
We
out?
do.
No, right?
We pass by. Yeah. So once we go down here, it's Balik Pulau road.
How? We go down, and then this one, do we use this road? No. We go all the way down, right?
Yeah, we go all the way down.
Okay.
对啊，这样青色的路嘛，all the way down 这边我们 U turn 的嘛，
这里对这里，然后去到这里啊，这里Pematang Damalau，然后Batu Mau second bridge。
Okay.
Yeah. So the green route.
Yay!
Okay.
All right.
All right. You ready?
Very ready.
After you, Kuyang. After you.
I want to follow you. I want to listen to your car.
Why V12 need to listen to V8?
Because that one sounds nice. Just that this one sounds a little bit nicer. It's very difficult to follow an MX-5 on twisties. You看牙强，聪明，我关掉那个音的好一点。Look at the view. Lovely morning drive, and Chuyang is actually right behind me. I wonder if I can capture his Still my favorite M3. Still my favorite M3. Look at that! Drop the top. Our Penang clubhouse. Here we come. So, we have arrived at our Penang clubhouse. Drop the top here. Look at that. Right. Some lovely people this morning. There's my car sunbathing here with quite a bit of insects pass away when I pass them. Lovely car all around as usual. So if you want to buy mini cabriolets in Penang, you know these guys have stocks because they specialize in drop the top. Right? This is the place where drop the tops happen. And I've checked in, don't worry. Lovely, lovely. This is sold. This is for sale. Boss. Oh, this one's sold. No more cars. Yeah, gonna have coffee now. So if you are from Penang, Sunday morning, you know where to go to meet car people. All of them here having wonderful coffee, kopi chap teko. That's what we offer. Alright? So if you are from other cities, be it Kedah or Kuantan, wherever you have a facility that you want to become part of our clubhouse network, we will help you to form a community there, make your place happening. You know, we're looking for one in JB. We already have one in Kuching. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Cheers. Vivo, Aurizn, and drop the top. Yeah. Cheers. Even tapao.
Also got flour.
Wow.